Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. I wanted to do a quick intro, but we are at the track here. As you can see, car behind me. I'm not going to be in front of my camera too much because I look like a clown, but there's some cool stuff here. People brought trailers, and we actually have a race car driver. So this is going to be a good time. Let's get into it. What?
Check your flag, go play!
Okay.
Sweep in, you don't turn, you aim straight, and then you finish the turn. Right there. Boom, boom. See how he's in a straightaway?
All right, well, I'm back home, and as you can see behind me, the car is all in one piece. Didn't leave on a trailer. I drove it home from Thompson, Connecticut, and it sits here in the garage. Other than a couple of small little things on the paint, and really it's actually on the, it's on the Opticoat. I can show you, there's one right, right there, and then if I flip this around, there's just a couple right on there. Other than that, I mean, this car did absolutely amazing. You saw from my lap, I shaved about 10 seconds off of my first lap to my second to final lap. And I found that this car is so different from the M3 when it comes to tracks. Of course, it's the mid-engine, but it's just the brakes. It's, it's the wheel setup. It's just everything about this car just screams, drive me on a freaking track. And I'm glad that I was able to do it. And I hope to do it again, a whole bunch more. And I mean, really, I'm kind of just tired as hell because long day, had tons of fun, still pumping with adrenaline. Driving home on the highway was just crazy because you kind of have that mindset where I want to apex all the corners. And unfortunately, when you're on the highway, you're really not supposed to do that. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm glad that I was able to bring it to you. Curious in the comments, what you thought of the lap. Critique me all you want. I'm not a professional. In fact, I ran in beginner the whole day, and I have no issues at all with doing that. And honestly, I mean, like I said, I just had a blast. I got to hang out with friends, got to meet some new people. Overall, this thing did amazing. If you were thinking of getting a GT4 and you really weren't sure, maybe this video will show you that this car is built for the track. But as you've seen from my other videos, you can also drive it on the street. One final thing before I wrap this video, I want to show a couple photos of my tires. This car has tons of grip. It did amazing, but at the end of the day, I actually was on the last legs of my tires. I only had a couple places where I slipped out a little bit, no spins, but you'll see from these photos that these tires are done and gone. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick with the brand that's on here. I don't even know what it is. So let me actually let you know while I look. It is Bridgestone Potenzas, which I don't love them, but they did well. I'm a Michelin guy, so I'll probably get P4S. That's what I had on the M3, and that's what I loved. So as always, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.